आज हम काय केलं बघतो आपण जो समाजमय सेवालाल महाराजेर घणे घणे जगा गुडीच हनुज महाराज આપણે एकता करण समाजेर मान शान बढ़ाणूक हम प्रार्थना मांगाचा कनाय बी काय बार सेवालाल महाराजेर जहे मारा तो काय को गोर माटी हुम्मस आवाच उस घण हुम्मस हनुज रेणू तो हनुज आंग चालू हम प्रार्थना मांगाचा आता सेवालाल ट्रस्टेर माकन बुक कामलीच तबन मैं एकमा बी कळामलो छु जो कुण ट्रस्टी छ सेच केन फोटो घालनो जुआंग में फिर भी काय बार जो ये सेवालाल चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टिंग बार फाउंडर जो को लेट श्री पी रंजीत नायक भैया आपण गौर समाजेन ये करण आज स्वर्गीय छ पण बी ओरो नाम अमर छ असो काम करण गयो छ आपनो भाई श्री रंजीत नायक भैया सेन जय सेवालाल आज हम काय के जवाब तो संत श्री सेवालाल महाराजेर चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट सेवागडे नवार आपनो अब जो प्रेसिडेंट छ भाई जो आईजीपी रिटायर्ड जगन्नाथराव भैया कोरा घणो आचो काम करो छ जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट जो भाई छ किशोर नायक भैया वो भी आचे काम करे छ जो वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट छ आपनो भाई पी रविंद्र नायक भैया वो भी घणो आचो काम करो छ हनु हरलाल नायक भैया घणो आचो काम करो छ वत जो शंकर जादव भैया जो सतीश जो आपनो शेखर भैया असे बक्कळ लोक काय बार काम करायचं बाला नायक भैया आणि घणे घणे लोक काम करायचं को उन कोटी कोटी प्रणाम करतो ह्यो आता इंग्लिश में काय को बुक प्रिंटिंग में वाचवता हूं छु मेन पहला तो वाचवता छु फिर भी अब आगे वाचवता हूं छु जय सेवालाल हिस्ट्री ऑफ सेवागढ़ ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ सेवागढ़ द होली लैंड ऑफ सेवालाल महाराज बर्थ प्लेस संत श्री सेवालाल महाराज was born on 15 to 1739 to a parents Srimati Dharmani Yadi mother and Sri Ramavat Bhima Nayak on this holy land. At that time this locations was popularly known as Ram Gudda or Ramji Nayak Tanda. Ramji Nayak is a grandfather of Seva Bhaya who came to the locations with 360 families of his Tanda and about 4,000 loaded जो categories Ramji Nayak Tanda when deserted by the end of 18th century the local peoples by a village known as Chinnarayanapalli. This land now falls in the revenue village of Peda Doddi, Gutti Taluk Mandal, Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh. Seva Bhaya lived with his parents at this place up to the age of 12 years. He bathed in the Kalo Kundo, clean water of naturally spring water pond, worshipped in Channakeshava Shiva temple on the top of the Chandra Gutta. गुट्टा अंद्रे बेट्टा अथवा आपण गोरमाटी में कसकी वन पलडा करके न हियर बाय रामजी नायक तांडा and grazed his called in Jhumri Jhol forest of plums. All the release and moments are exiting even today. Banjaras and non-Banjaras in the locally hold Katta, Bhima Nayak Katta platform in high esteem and reverence since the ORE of the Sant Sri Sevalal Maharaj is right under the ground of this platform, which is the traditions of the Banjaras to bring the result after the delivery of the baby. Sri Bhima Nayak delivery has judgment to Banjaras of his and neighboring tandas from this katta. आता गोर बोली मलपनेच तू गुत्ती बल्लारी में हुयो रे, तू गुत्ती बल्लारी में हुयो रे, तू झुमरेरी झोले में गावड़ी चरायो रे, तू झुमरेरी झोले में गावड़ी चरायो रे, काळो कुंडे में हंगोळी करान झंडा गट्टा कतो कट्टा गुट्टा अत चंद्रायन गुट्टा गच कतो गटला पर जान मरियामा याडीन दिखो रे, गटला पर जान मरियामा याडीन देखो रे. कधी घणाची लग्मीलेच beside on this Sri Pujari Ranjit Naik, who was the national president of deputed तो AIBSA का president तो अपन भाई Ranjit Naik. The batch of the Banjara reached research scholarship to identify and local the exact place between Gutti and Ballari, where Sant Sri Sevalal Maharaj was born. Concerningly, this group of search scholars visited all the places, including hilly areas between Gutti, Ballari and visited Sevagad and founded the following evidence at Sevagad. First one, Bhima Nayak Katta. Bhima Nayak Katta. This is the place where residue of Sevalal Maharaj was buried when he was born, and platform was built over that, which is named as Bhima Nayak Katta by the local public. Wherever there is the problem in anybody is family, they used to come and pray at this platform, and they get immediately relief, encouraged of cash, pride and religions. Second, there is a depleted tanda existing at this place, which is called as Ramji Nayak Tanda. Third, even in the old revenue recorded, it is the noted as Nayakuni Bai. Sorry, Nayakani Bhumi. Nayakani Bhumi. There is a cross well known as Kalo Kundo, where Sevalal Maharaj used to work before going to this regularly puja. This is the same place where Sati Bhavani, 7 gods, used to bath. There is a Zumri Zol, that is the forest of plum trees where Sevalal Maharaj used to graze his cows. From the above evidence, the team of scholars got a concern that this is the place where Sevalal Maharaj was born, and went went and reported the past of Sri Ranjit Nayak. Thereupon Sri Ranjit Nayak invited state body members of All India Banjara Seva Sangh from all the state in early 2001. The entire All India Banjara Seva Sangh teams coming from the states visited Sewagarh, saw the correspondential advice, evidence, and got consult, convinced that this is the place where Sevalal Maharaj was born and named the place of Sewagarh. Thus, the birthplace of Sevalal Maharaj was confirmed by the national body of All India Banjara Seva Sangh as a Sewagarh. Since Sevalal Maharaj was born with the blessing of Maharaj Jagadamba, he became display of Mata Jagadamba, and he used to be the conversations with her holiness whenever there was a need. Thus, the exhibited innumerable miracle. A few of them are given below. He made a tent self as Janjar, Janjar music instrument. He made a hand full of earth as Kheer Prasadam. He made a stone of Nagara. A drum used the tandas during the festival. With a pick of his toe, he prodded string of water from the bottom of the ground extra. कतो अत काय केवल कतो कामबार जो आपण काचा ने भाटारो लंगारा घुराए रे धूड़ीरो खीर बनाए रे जो ये झालरी बनाए रे कतो कामबार पानी झालरी बनाए रे थाली बनाए रे काचा जो इनमें लकलेच फिर भी काय मन कळस करो छु on arrival of Sevalal Maharaj tops of Hyderabad the Nizam's forest officials told Sevalal Maharaj that they have to pay tax for grazing their relation Nizam's forest. Enacted with this order of forest officials, Sevalal Maharaj's strength went to Nizam's Darbar and questioned the Nizam was follows. This land belong to as this is our Janmabhumi. Janmabhumi. You and your bosses, Britishers, are outside and therefore have no right to call the tax from as for a grazing caused in the forest, and we do not pay any taxes. Saying this, Sevalal Maharaj left the place. Nizam did not venture to take any actions against him. As the already heard, Sevalal Maharaj is very powerful and has lot of miracles at his command. So he desired in himself on elements him with this is you sent few soldiers to bring Sevalal to his darbar. When the soldiers went and informed Sevalal Maharaj about this, he replied to them that he was no work with Nizam and so he would not came. On hearing this, the Nizam changed his stand and sent one of his ministers that he is inviting by the Nizam for a peace. On hearing this, Sevalal Maharaj went inside and Swagat. Introductions from Maharaj Jagadamba Mata. Jagadamba conveyed to Sevalal Maharaj to attend the feast and that the attempt would be made to position him and that she goddess would take care of it and not to worry about it. On arrival at the Darbar, Sevalal Maharaj was welcomed by the Nizam, and while he was seated and conversing, an artist from Darbar drew the pictures of Sevalal Maharaj. Later, Nizam offered him Ladu, which was located with the double quality of positions to make sure that they will not serve after consuming it. Even after eating the poisoned ladu, Sevalal Maharaj was more actively conversing with Nizam. Seeing this, Nizam was a shocked and realized that Sevalal Maharaj was a very powerful person with whom he can not plan any mystery and servants to him, saying as follows: Maharaj, I am very sorry, please forgive me, and I give you the following province. जो निजामेन का मार पछता बेजाजा लादी पस प्रामिस कर चुकी पहला प्रामिस the gate through which you entered the gate will be named as Banjara Darwaja. Second, the area in which you go to your troops and camping will be named as Banjara Hills hereafter. Third, you need not pay any tax for grazing your cattle and your stay. You can stay as long as you desire to stay. Fourth, you will be exempted from any punishment up to 3 murders a day. From Hyderabad, Sivalal Maharaj engaged with its troops moved towards north by Warangal and Oriya. When they reached the river Mahanadi near Calcutta, he river was following with full swing and it was impossible for the troops to cross it. At this juncture, Sevalal Maharaj prayed to Jagadamba Mata and threw his baton, whereupon the river divided into two, creating a way for the troops to pass through. After passing the river by the entire troops, Sevalal Maharaj thanked Mata Jagadamba and the river Mahanadi. Subsequently, due to a trace effort of Chandra Bhanu Rathod from Nizamabad district, the photo of Sevalal Maharaj drawn during his visit to Nizam's Darbar was discovered and obtained from Nizam's library, and it was then know that he was born on 15 February 1739. Thus, the Sevalal Maharaj Jayanti was being performed on 15 February every year since then. Sri Ranjit Nayak releasing that it is a laborious process to across the land through the government, the negotiated with the landlords who were telling the land of Fengile Fund purchased 44 acres of land for a fresh, which was a called local called from the members of All India Banjara Seva Sangha present at that time and who were also the founder trustees of Sevagad and got it registered in the name of the trust Sant Sri Sevadas Maharaj Memorial Trust. In the year of 2001, which was headed by late Sri Ranjit Nayak, again its name was changed as Sant Sri Sevalal Maharaj Charitable Trust Sevagad. And the same was registered on 17/4/2003 with a registration number 36 bar 2003. The trust deed was signed by 25 founder trustees from all over India. Of out of this land and practically of 8 acres was given to Andhra Pradesh state government for estimate Andhra Pradesh state tribal boys residentially social schools Gurukul Uni friendly Sri Ranjit Nayak, who was the president of All India Banjara Seva Sangha and also president of Sant Sri Sevalal Maharaj Charitable Trust, expired on 13th July 2004, creating of the value of the in the development of the trust. The national body of All India Banjara Seva Sangha who visited Sevagad on the even of dismiss of Sri Ranjit Nayak uninitially decided and nomination Sri K. Jagannath Rao IPS retired to take the over the reason of Sevagad Trust and take the forward Sri K. Jagannath Rao after taking over as a president took Sri P.L. Ravindra Nayak into his team as working president and started functioning. At the first instance, it was a result to conditions constructed Sevalal Maharaj temple and foundations was leaded in 2004 end and constructions of the temple was completed by 2007. The idol of Sevalal Maharaj was made up to best Makanan marble with the best effective Sri Arjun Rathod and Sri P. Harilal Nayak, and it was a initial and inaugurated of the 15th February 2008. Sri Shankar Pawar. Sri Shankar Pawar is one of the great men in India. He was a god of Banjara. He is living in Thane, Mumbai. He is a Basha of Mumbai. Has related to the basement live of the Sevalal Maharaj temple from his personally found. Sri Shankar Pawar from Thane, Mumbai, he was built to up to basement level of the Sevalal Maharaj temple from his personally found funds. During 2013, foundations was a lead for the constructions of Jagadamba Mata temple and completed in 2016. The order of the Mata Jagadamba was provided by the TTD Tirupati for his temple. Also, Sri Shankar Pawar was concerned to contracted to the his basement level with his personally funds. After the completions of birth, the temple of concerned of the 3.5 crores, his amount was a reward in the from donations from Gaur Banjara and others from all the states in India, particularly from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, extra. After the completions of the temple, it was a revelations by the trust of state Nitya Annadan sessions at a Sevagar to a provided food and the visiting devotees. This personally was a announced in the general body meeting and was a approved substituted Gaur Banjara of us who were working in FCI took the responsibility to provide the required quality of rice for the Annadama system at Sevagar through the year, including Jayanti celebrations as their personally contributions. TTD Kalyana Mantapa at Sevagad on the request of Sant Sri Sevalal Maharaj Charitable Trust. TTD management has institution and constructed by TTD Kalyana Mantap at Sevagad. They also provided required furniture for the functions hall and also during accommodations. With the help of a trouble welfare fund of canteen building and dormitory buildings as constructed and the same is available for the visiting devotees. Guest house. To start with Sri K. Jagannath Rao, IPS retired president of the trust, built the guest house with 2 bedrooms, a hall and kitchen in the ground floor and 3 bedrooms and halls in the first floor. He was a donated the entire first floor to the trust for the use of visiting devotees, retain the ground floor for the personally use the uh, permanent basics as the same was approved in the generally body meetings. On the dismiss of Dr. Shankar Naik, former minister from Karnataka, former national president of Karnataka, former national president of ABIBSS and vice president of Sevagar Trust. His family members built by a guest house in his memory. Or Banjara affairs from CI have a collectively built the guest house and placed by at the disposal of the trust for use of the same for the visiting devotees. A community hall was the started with the funds from MLs and MPs, constitutions, the developments fund, and it was a stopped help way for the went to funds during last year. Sri Talari Rangaya, the then MP was Anandpur, provided Rs 20 lakhs from his condition development funds and work has been done at the anxiety still and further amount of Rs 50 lakhs is required for completions for the building with furnitures. A road of 3 lakhs, a road of 3 kilometers from National Highway way, highway up to Sevagar was a lead to the cost of Rs 1.80 crores by the government Panchayati Raj Department. Initially, CC roads water also lead at the cost of Rs 68 lakhs from government Panchayati Raj Department. Furniture plan. These core the existing land and buildings of the trust. It was a plan to consult to compound and well around the boundary of the trust land. A party of compound well and already concessions and completely the remaining positions of the compound well compound wall and amount Rs 50 lakhs would be required. Dining hall at parents the Annadhanam the in halls and being run in the nation seat said the dining hall with kitchens and furniture is required for 90 Dawan system during normally day and also during Jayanti celebration and other festivals accommodations. The estimate cost of Rs above project is around at Rs 1 crore. Administrative administrative building. The administrative building consisting of a receptions counter, waiting hall, manager room, stall and washroom and facilities to the tickets items for puja, photos of Sivalal Maharaj and Jagdamba Mata, books and literally Sivalal Maharaj extra is required. This project estimations cost of is about 1 crore. Staff quarters. Residentially quarters of temple pujaris and workers are required to be provided. This project is an estimate to cost about Rs 1.50 crores. Appeal till now there has been no financial assistance from the Andhra Pradesh government for the last 4 years. The trust has been managing the affairs of the trust developments properly on donations required from Gaur Banjara and others, Gaur Banjaras and others requested to come and forward generation of the donations, constructions for the development of Sevagar donation to the trust as exit under sections of 80G and 12A of income tax extra 1961 with the support for Gaur Banjara and others. The trust hopes completed the furniture achievement to development Sevagar as the national pilgrim center. The donor they can send their donations of the following account of the trust. Bank name State Bank of India, Gutti branch. Account number 331677888064. Once again, account number 331677888064. IFCS code number SBI number 000976. They can also send a check in favor of Sant Sri Sevalal Maharaj Charitable Trust and officially receipt will be used to the donor by the concerned authority of the trust. The trust financially requests all the devotees to support the message and Sant Sri Sevalal Maharaj to all the Banjaras living in all nooks and corners of India and motive them to visit Sewagarh and seek the blessing of Mata Jagadamba and Sant Sri Sevalal Maharaj. Sant Sri Sevalal Maharaj and Sri Mata Jagadamba may serve their blessing to the donor, devotees, donors, members, trustees, and their families. जय सेवालाल ट्रस्ट बोर्ड मेंबर्स संत सेवालाल महाराज चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट सेवागढ़। अब हम काय के बघतो देखो ट्रस्ट का मार जो समाज चालरीच और बदले आपण सारी समाज भरण एक ट्रस्टिंग का मार आपण थोड़ा बहुत धन सहाय करून लावच जना ये ट्रस्ट आंग चालच और बदले हम काय काचा की तवेन जो भगवान आचो दिए तो दे मेलो तो दयागन ट्रस्टेन थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प करो तो भगवान आचो का सेवा बाया। फिर भी आपण जो जगदम्बा याडी माता जगदम्बा याडी संत श्री सेवालाल महाराज आशीर्वाद थी जो आज आपण 3 गढ़ सेवागढ़ पौरागढ़ भायागढ़ के न और मैं जो ये सेवागढ़ आवच बड़ाई गुत्ती कन और कालो कुंडरो पानी तुम घर ले गो तो तमार पाप संपूर्ण नाश हो जावच पुण्य घरे नावच हनु आपनो चित्तो काम पतवच जो बाल बच्चा छे बाल बच्चा वच अस महाशक्तिवान श्री सेवालाल महाराज काळो कुंडरो पाणीच